Hello everyone, welcome again to Learn Arabic with us. هلا والله كيف حالكم؟ أهلا بكم مرة ثانية معنا في تعلم العربية معنا. Today we will be speaking about pronouns in the the Gulf. We will be using that in the Gulf accent. اليوم عم ندرس الضمائر في الخليج في لهجات الخليج. So what I want to point out that the pronouns are pronounced in any language. Even in English, the same usage. We still have I and we when you speak about the group you're included of. We're speaking having you when you're talking to people. But in Arabic, of course, we have you for male, you for female, you for plural. We're still having the last family, which is when you're speaking about people, like you and Guy or you and another person speaking about people, you will be using he, she, they. We still have that. But of course, we still have a different pronunciation. So let's start and see how we pronounce them. Annie, Annie, Annie Joe, Annie Joe. نحنا 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 جو ومريم وأحمد وسارة وروجر. نحنا أنت 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 أحمد. أني جو أنت أحمد. أنت 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 مريم. أني جو أنت مريم. أنتو 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 مريم أحمد سارة وروجر. أني جو أنتو مريم أحمد سارة وروجر. هو هو أني جو أنتي مريم هو أحمد. So if Joe and Mariam speaking, he want to say that he's Ahmed, he would say هو أحمد. هي سارة هي سارة. هما أحمد سارة وروجر. هما أحمد سارة وروجر. So yes, I want you to listen to this. Try to use it as much as you can. I will say them again one more time. أني نحنا أنت أنتي أنتو هو هي هما. And remember, they are the same usage. Speaking about the group you are included of or yourself, speaking to people, speaking about people. Thank you very much and I hope to see you soon. تسلموا وأشوفكم قريب. مع السلامة.